Patience is not sitting and waiting, it is foreseeing. It is looking at the thorn and seeing rose, looking at the night and seeing the day. Lovers are patient and know that the moon needs time to become full. Shams Tabrizi. Golf is a sport that requires precision, accuracy, and a whole lot of patience. One of the most important shots in golf is the chip shot, which is used to get the ball close to the hole when you are near the green. A chip shot is a short shot that is played with a lofted club, such as a wedge or a 9-iron. In this blog, we will discuss the basics of playing a chip shot in golf. The first step in playing a chip shot is to select the right club. The most commonly used clubs for chip shots are the sand wedge, pitching wedge, and 9-iron. It's important to choose a club that will allow you to get the ball in the air and land it softly on the green. Asterisk. Once you have selected the right club, the next step is to set up your stance. Position your feet close together and slightly open to the target. The ball should be positioned in the middle of your stance, and your weight should be shifted slightly towards your front foot. When addressing the ball, your hands should be slightly ahead of the ball, which will help you to create a descending strike. This is important because it will allow you to get the ball in the air and land it softly on the green. When you are ready to take your shot, use a short backswing and a firm but controlled forward swing. Remember to keep your hands ahead of the ball throughout the swing, and to keep your wrists firm. This will help you to create a clean strike and get the ball in the air. As you swing through the ball, focus on making a smooth and controlled motion. Avoid hitting the ball too hard or too soft, as this can cause the ball to either fly too far or not far enough. Once you have made contact with the ball, follow through with your swing and hold your finish. This will help you to maintain your balance and ensure that you have hit the ball cleanly. When playing a chip shot, it's important to keep in mind the slope and conditions of the green. If the green is sloping away from you, you will need to hit the ball harder and allow it to roll towards the hole. If the green is sloping towards you, you will need to hit the ball softer and allow it to come to a stop quickly. In addition, you should also consider the condition of the grass. If the grass is wet or thick, you may need to hit the ball harder to get it through the grass and onto the green. In conclusion, playing a chip shot in golf requires skill, precision, and practice. By selecting the right club, setting up your stance correctly, and focusing on a smooth and controlled swing, you can master this important shot and improve your overall game. Remember to take into account the slope and conditions of the green, and to keep practicing until you feel confident in your ability to make a clean and accurate chip shot. You are a chip shot away from everything you've ever wanted. Robert G. Allen.